Don't take your kitchen cabinets for granted. A score for both practical storage and decorative charm cabinets do much of the heavy lifting in the kitchen, but may often go overlooked in favor of hard-working appliances. The truth is that without cabinets, our kitchen would be thrown into chores. Make the most of critical kitchen's cabinetry by paying special attention to attractive and efficient storage as well as their appearance. How can you make your best meals when your kitchen is cluttered and you cannot find essential ingredients? If you spend your more time searching for that one pan or food processor than you do preparing the meal itself, chances are you're not going to cook as often as you might like simply due to the hassle of finding what you need. Organizing your kitchen cabinets can make planning to cook, making the meal and cleaning up infinitely easier, and there are certain ways to go about it to get the best result.